Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Optimism. Optimism is up 63.6% on a yearly time frame. The last 1 month has seen Optimism go down by 12.4%. But deep in the crypto bear market, altcoins are down bad in Goblin Town. A lot of altcoins have double-digit gains, but we're waiting for that elusive alt season in 2023. How high can we go before the end of the year? Where are key levels to watch out for Optimism? Where are those levels where we should pay close attention, where we can easily get rejected or we can easily blast to the moon? Taking a look at the Optimism US dollar price chart on a daily time frame, we'll also look at Optimism's performance against Bitcoin. Where are we heading to in the coming days and in the coming weeks? Should we be buying more Optimism? Can we get to new all-time highs? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. In the last 1 week, we're seeing a lot of altcoins showing no signs of life. In the last 1 week, there's been a big bounce in the altcoin market. Even though Optimism is down 1%, we're very optimistic, expecting higher prices. We're still waiting for that long-awaited alt season. Right now, we're heavily in Bitcoin season. Right now, Bitcoin is performing better than a lot of altcoins. Guys, if you don't know what an alt season is, an alt season happens if 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin over the last 90 days. That will be termed an alt season. Right now, Bitcoin is performing better than those altcoins. So right now, we're in Bitcoin season. But guys, the best way to play this chart is for you to buy altcoins when we're in Bitcoin season and sell them when we're in alt season. And if you see that wonderful alt season, if we see altcoins going crazy, expect Optimism to be one of those altcoins that will have huge gains before the end of the year. Currently trading at $1.22. Optimism has a market cap of over $1 billion. It has 24-hour trading volume of more than $74 million. With a circulating supply of 880 million tokens, Optimism has a total supply of 4.2 million tokens. A fully diluted market cap sitting at $5.2 billion. Optimism is a layer 2 blockchain on top of Ethereum. Optimism benefits from the security of Ethereum mainnet and helps scale the ecosystem by using optimistic rollups. That means transactions are trustlessly recorded on Optimism but ultimately secured on Ethereum. So where can you get some Optimism? If you want to get some, before we look at the chart, you can get some Optimism on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on Qcoin, on BitTop, and guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Optimism right there. Now let's take a look at the Optimism US dollar price chart. Optimism is a virgin coin that's not been through any crypto bull run. We saw Optimism launch in 2022. What happened after that? Huge jump to Goblin Town. Optimism had a 90+% dump. That's normal with a lot of altcoins. After their initial launch, you see them crashing to Goblin Town. But ever since then, it recovered. Ever since Optimism got to the $0.41 level, we first saw a 400% pump in around 40 days. Then we saw that 70% plus dump that happened in October. And by February of 2023, Optimism was up already 650%. Guys, crazy pumps can happen in the altcoin market. Those crazy pumps can happen very quickly. You just have to position yourself waiting for when those pumps will happen, because dumps also happen in the cryptocurrency market, and we've seen Optimism lose around 64% of its value. But right now, we found support at the $1 level. Right now, Optimism is getting ready to get sent to the moon. But there's some key levels to watch out for Optimism. These key levels are levels where we might see Optimism having difficulties over the next few weeks, over the next few months. That $1.7 level is very important. We saw Optimism getting to that $1.7 level earlier in August of 2023. Optimism got to as high as $1.7, but right now, Optimism have given back some of those gains, currently trading around $1.22. If we can rally above that $1.78 level, guys, the next level we'll be paying attention to will be the $3.16 level. That's the highest we've seen Optimism trade ever since it was launched. I still believe we can see Optimism get to new all-time highs back to the launch price. Optimism was launched at a very high price. Optimism was launched around the $4.5 level. From where we're currently trading, Optimism will have to return to that $4.5 level. We'll have to see Optimism return 273%. Knowing how volatile the altcoins market can be, Optimism can return more than 270% before the end of the year. Let me take you back to these examples, guys, where Optimism rallied up in just 30 days by more than 462%. Remember, guys, you want to buy low, you want to sell high, you want to buy when the market is boring, you want to buy when the market is in extreme fear so that you can sell when the market is exciting and when the market is in extreme greed. You want to do the opposite of what majority of the market participants are doing. And right now, we're seeing some signs of life in the altcoin market, and alt season is around the corner. So I'll not be shocked if Optimism have a huge pump to the upside. But getting to new all-time highs, that might just be far-fetched. So you want to pay attention to this key support and resistance level as we attempt to go to higher prices in the coming days and in the coming weeks. If you take a look at Optimism performance against Bitcoin, it's mirroring its performance against the US dollar. Optimism had a huge pump to the upside against Bitcoin, rallying up by more than 500% in the first 270 days of its launch. But since then, it has been dumping to gobbling town against Bitcoin as expected. Guys, a lot of altcoins have huge pumps against Bitcoin when the market is bullish. When the market gets bearish, they give back some of those gains. When the market gets bearish, you see them dumping back to gobbling town. So you want to take some profits along the way. Anytime you see huge run-ups in the market, you want to take some profits off the table. You're here to make some money. You are here to get good gains. Buy low, sell high. We see that long-awaited all-season capital will flow from the Bitcoin market straight into the altcoin market, and Optimism is one of those altcoins that will benefit duly. I believe we can see Optimism market cap return to as high as $4 billion. The market cap currently sits at $1 billion. That will be 4x from here. We'll see Optimism trading above $4. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you a bull or a bear? Do you expect to see Optimism pumping to higher prices before the end of the year? Is it possible for us to hit that $4.5 level? Or do you expect us to continue dumping to gobbling town, probably dropping to new lows? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember, guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.